So we'll start with this exception handling. So we will have a simple exception first, just a recap of what we saw yesterday or the previous class. So int, I will have a is equal to 10 and d is equal to 0. Okay. And now I'm going to have a result, double result. So which is going to store the division of these two numbers. Result A divided by D. Okay. And now I can print the result of system.out.println. And now I will print the result. So here I can have it to be the result as RES. Okay. So now there is an error. What is the error here? It is divide by 0 error, because a number cannot be divided with 0. So there is an error. So I put a catch here. So I will put a catch here. For this catch, I can put exception. Exception, you know that there is an error. So you will put an error like this. No, so I will put a system.out.println and I will say that an error has occurred. This is my own word. Okay. An error has occurred. Okay. So an error has occurred, I will say. So now for this class, should I create an object? Should I don't want to create object, because it is within the same class itself. Okay. So now let's see the output of this program. So what has happened? It worked like this. The A is equal to 10, D is equal to 0. So since here an error has occurred, this statement was not executed at all. Okay. So it directly you are able to come here. Okay. Catch telling an error has occurred. Okay. Okay. In this different ways I can give. See here, I can specify as arithmetic exception. Okay. In this, I can say that an arithmetic exception has occurred. Or let me write it in this way. I can put it as exception E. I don't know what is the error. So the error is, or I can say the error is in E. So now see the output very clearly. So the error is, what is the error? Is Java lang arithmetic exception divided by 0. Okay. If you know what is the type of the exception, I can specify as arithmetic exception. So divide by 0 falls under arithmetic exception. So in that case, I can simply put it like this also. Okay. I can simply put an error has occurred and you don't want to write anything. You can simply put this E here. So what is the output here for this program? So the error is this one. Okay. So what is the use of this error? Try and catch. So let's see what is the use of it. See here, an error has occurred here and the error is displayed. And what next? I can convert this t is equal to some 2. Okay. Okay. Or d is equal to 2. And I can print the result here. Okay. If an error has occurred, you want to continue. So I will put it here as result is equal to A by D. This is also possible. So what is the output of this program now? So here an exception error has occurred. Now I have a solution for it. I can put it as, here I converted after the error has occurred, since D is equal to 0, convert D is equal to 2. Okay. So the result is A divided by D. The result is 5. Or I can simply put it as, if it is that I want to put result is equal to 0. This also I can do. So I can put the result here. So in this case, let me remove this off here. Okay. So what happens here? If D is equal to 0 and an error has occurred, I made result is equal to 0. So the output will be, what is the output now? The result is 0.0. Clear? This is a simple example
We
of.
can't print the output in